Most traders fail because they're looking at the market through a straw. They master one indicator but ignore the news, or they follow the news but miss the price action. If you want to stop guessing and start projecting, you need to master the 3 pillars of market analysis. Today, we're breaking down technical, fundamental, and sentiment analysis, and more importantly, how to combine them so you aren't caught on the wrong side of a trade. Stick around until the end, because I'm sharing a combo strategy that uses all 3 to filter out 80% of bad signals. Let's dive in. The foreign exchange market is often described as a battlefield of information, psychology, and probability. Prices move constantly, reacting to everything from central bank decisions to geopolitical tensions to trader emotions. For anyone serious about trading Forex, understanding how to interpret these movements is not optional, it is essential. At the core of this understanding are 3 primary approaches: technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and sentiment analysis. Each of these methods offers a different lens through which traders view the market. Some traders rely heavily on charts and indicators, others focus on economic data and global events, while a growing number pay close attention to the collective behavior and positioning of market participants. None of these approaches is inherently superior on its own. In fact, the most consistent traders often combine elements of all 3. To truly grasp how the Forex market operates, it is important to break down each type of analysis, understand its strengths and limitations, and learn how they can work together. Technical analysis is the most widely used method among retail Forex traders. At its core, it is the study of price charts to identify patterns, trends, and potential future movements. Technical analysts believe that all relevant information, economic, political, and psychological, is already reflected in the price. Therefore, by studying price action, traders can make informed decisions without needing to analyze external factors. The foundation of technical analysis rests on 3 key principles. First, the market discounts everything. This means that every piece of available information is already embedded in the current price. Second, prices move in trends. Whether upward, downward, or sideways, markets tend to follow identifiable patterns over time. Third, history tends to repeat itself. Human behavior in the market is consistent, leading to recurring chart patterns. Charts are the primary tools used in technical analysis. Traders commonly use line charts, bar charts, and candlestick charts, with candlesticks being the most popular due to the amount of information they convey. Each candlestick tells a story about price movement within a specific time frame, showing the opening, closing, high, and low prices. From these charts, traders identify patterns such as support and resistance levels. Support is a price level where demand tends to prevent further decline, while resistance is where selling pressure prevents further rise. These levels are not exact numbers but zones where price often reacts. Trend analysis is another critical component. Traders use tools like trend lines and moving averages to determine the direction of the market. A market making higher highs and higher lows is considered to be in an uptrend, while lower highs and lower lows indicate a downtrend. Recognizing trends helps traders align their trades with the broader market direction rather than fighting against it. Indicators are also widely used in technical analysis. These are mathematical calculations based on price, volume, or open interest. Popular indicators include the Relative Strength Index, RSI, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, and Bollinger Bands. These tools help traders identify overbought or oversold conditions, momentum shifts, and potential reversals. However, technical analysis is not without its limitations. Indicators often lag behind price, meaning they confirm trends rather than predict them. Additionally, different traders can interpret the same chart in different ways, leading to subjective decisions. Over-reliance on indicators can also lead to analysis paralysis, where traders are overwhelmed by conflicting signals. Despite these challenges, technical analysis remains a powerful tool. It provides structure, helps define entry and exit points, and allows traders to manage risk effectively. Fundamental analysis, understanding the forces behind the market. While technical analysis focuses on price movements, fundamental analysis looks at the underlying factors that drive those movements. It involves evaluating economic, political, and social factors that influence a country's currency value. Currencies are directly tied to the strength of their respective economies. Therefore, fundamental analysts pay close attention to economic indicators such as interest rates, inflation, employment data, gross domestic product, GDP, and trade balances. Among these, interest rates are arguably the most influential. Central banks, such as the Federal Reserve in the United States or the European Central Bank, play a crucial role in Forex markets. They set interest rates and implement monetary policies that affect currency value. Higher interest rates typically attract foreign investment, increasing demand for a currency and causing it to appreciate. Conversely, lower interest rates can weaken a currency. Inflation is another key factor. Moderate inflation is a sign of a growing economy, but high inflation erodes purchasing power and can weaken a currency. Employment data, such as the Non-Farm Payroll (NFP) report in the United States, provides insight into economic health and often causes significant market volatility upon release. Geopolitical events also play a major role in fundamental analysis. Elections, wars, trade agreements, and political instability can all impact currency values. For example, uncertainty surrounding an election can lead to currency depreciation as investors seek safer assets. Fundamental analysis can be divided into two approaches, short-term and long-term. Long-term fundamental traders analyze macroeconomic trends and hold positions for weeks, months, or even years. Short-term traders, on the other hand, focus on economic news releases and trade the immediate market reactions. One of the strengths of fundamental analysis is its ability to explain why the market is moving in a certain direction. It provides context that technical analysis alone cannot offer. For example, a strong uptrend in a currency pair may be driven by a series of positive economic reports or a central bank's decision to raise interest rates. However, fundamental analysis also has its drawbacks. Markets do not always react to news in predictable ways. Sometimes positive data can lead to a currency decline if expectations were even higher. Additionally, interpreting economic data requires a deep understanding of global markets, which can be challenging for beginners. Timing is another issue. Fundamental analysis may indicate that a currency is undervalued, but it does not specify when the market will correct itself. This is where technical analysis often complements fundamental insights. Sentiment analysis, measuring the mood of the market. Sentiment analysis is often overlooked, yet it plays a crucial role in understanding market behavior. It focuses on the overall attitude of traders toward a particular currency or the market as a whole. In essence, sentiment analysis seeks to answer one question: how do traders feel? The Forex market is driven by human decisions, and human decisions are influenced by emotions such as fear, greed, optimism, and uncertainty. These emotions create trends, bubbles, and crashes. Sentiment analysis attempts to quantify this psychological aspect. One of the key concepts in sentiment analysis is that markets often move against the majority. When too many traders are positioned in one direction, the market may reverse as there are fewer participants left to push the trend further. This is known as contrarian trading. There are several tools used to gauge market sentiment. One common method is the Commitment of Traders (COT) report, which shows the positioning of large institutional traders. This report can provide insight into whether major players are bullish or bearish on a currency. Retail sentiment indicators are also widely used. These tools show the percentage of retail traders who are long or short on a particular currency pair. If a large majority of retail traders are long, it may signal a potential downward move, as retail traders are often on the wrong side of the market. Market sentiment can also be inferred from price action itself. Strong, impulsive moves often indicate confidence and conviction, while choppy, indecisive movements suggest uncertainty. News headlines and social media trends can also influence sentiment, especially in today's fast-paced digital environment. One of the advantages of sentiment analysis is that it provides a broader perspective. It helps traders understand whether a trend is likely to continue or reverse based on crowd behavior. It can also act as a filter for technical and fundamental signals. However, sentiment analysis is not an exact science. Data can be incomplete or delayed, and interpreting sentiment requires experience. Additionally, markets can remain irrational longer than traders expect, meaning sentiment extremes can persist before a reversal occurs. Combining the three approaches. Relying on a single type of analysis can limit a trader's perspective. Each method has its strengths and weaknesses, but when combined, they create a more comprehensive view of the market. For example, a trader might use fundamental analysis to identify a strong currency based on economic data and central bank policies. They could then use technical analysis to find optimal entry and exit points, ensuring precise trade execution. Finally, sentiment analysis could be used to confirm whether the market is overcrowded, helping avoid trades that are likely to reverse. Consider a scenario where a central bank raises interest rates, signaling a strong economy. Fundamental analysis would suggest buying that currency. Technical analysis might show a breakout above a key resistance level, providing a clear entry point. However, sentiment analysis might reveal that most retail traders are already long, suggesting caution. In this case, the trader may wait for a pullback before entering. This multi-layered approach reduces risk and increases the probability of success. It allows traders to make decisions based on a combination of data, patterns, and psychology rather than relying on a single perspective. The Forex market is complex, dynamic, and influenced by countless variables. There is no single method that guarantees success, and any approach that claims otherwise should be treated with skepticism. Technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and sentiment analysis each offer valuable insights, but they are most powerful when used together. Technical analysis provides structure and timing. Fundamental analysis offers context and direction. Sentiment analysis reveals the psychological state of the market. Together, they form a well-rounded framework that can guide traders through the uncertainty of the Forex market. Mastering these three types of analysis takes time, practice, and discipline. It requires not only learning the tools but also developing the ability to interpret them effectively. The market will always be unpredictable, but with the right approach, traders can navigate it with greater confidence and consistency. In the end, success in Forex trading is not about predicting the future with certainty. It is about managing risk, understanding probabilities, and making informed decisions. By integrating technical, fundamental, and sentiment analysis, traders give themselves the best possible chance to succeed in one of the most competitive markets in the world. Understanding these three types of analysis is the difference between gambling and professional trading. But knowing them isn't enough, you have to apply them. Before your next trade, I want you to find at least two of these pillars that agree on the direction. If this breakdown helped clear the fog, do me a huge favor, hit that like button. It tells YouTube this content is actually helping traders, and it helps our community grow. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Trade smart, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next one.